Let's cut the BS. If you're still cold DM people who never asked from you, still making 3 reels a day hoping the algorithm will feed you a bone, still praying for your next viral short to magically land you a $5,000 client, and the worst part, you already know it. Real players don't chase, they build authority systems. They leverage one authority asset, one conversion funnel, one follow-up engine that never sleeps. Today, I'm going to show you how to build all 3 so you never chase for leads again. Alright guys, so why do high ticket buyers ignore you? Like this guy. 1, you have no authority asset. You guys look like every other coach. Looks the same, but nobody will notice. And you have commission breath. And you want to know why nobody replies to your DMs? Because again, you guys look like every other desperate coach trying to shove value down their throat. And high ticket buyers aren't stupid. They can smell your commission breath from a mile away. And the only care thing is this the trusted expert who can actually fix my problem? Remember, no authority asset equals no chance. Alright guys, we're going to talk about step 1, building your authority asset. Because you're going to be stopped being a random face online once you have an authority book, because you have attention, trust, and leads. This is my authority book right here. Because the thing is, you become a published authority. Like, we're not going to write a novel. We're just going to build a short authority strategic book, whether it's going to be a playbook, you can have a mini guide, signature method, and have a short book funnel place going through here. Because this is going to make your clients think, alright, this person gets me. This person can actually help me. So forget all the bestsellers. Your book's only job is to start the right conversation. Again guys, you could do a mini guide, you have your signature method, and a short book like I create here, Effortless Growth, to create the authority to start the conversations in place. Remember, you're gonna stop being a random content creator and you're gonna start being a published authority. This is the goal right here guys. Again, when you have the short authority book guys, it's just a weaponized trust asset. Having a signature blueprint, tactical playbook, no fluff mini guide. Here's some examples like Responsive Expert Secrets, this playbook right here, and this guide by David Agus. Because it does 3 things fast. It captures attention, it builds instant trust, and starts the right conversation. Right here guys. And also, it's pre-selling before they even speak to you. This is where they're building know, like, and trust. So by the call or the Zoom, whether you're doing a meeting, they'll be in love with you right away with your products and service. Alright guys, now we're moving on to step 2, setting up your book funnel. Alright guys, so imagine you publish your book and you're hoping. That is just like opening a restaurant and refusing to tell anyone where it is. And that's where you're gonna starve. And this is where the book funnel comes to place, and this is where you're actually going to build all your momentum. Again, that's when we can start with a free or low ticket offer. That's when they opt in for a mini book like I have for the Science Selling System, and they go through an automated nurture sequence, which is emails and SMS. This is where all the stories and emails and SMS go in place in this workflow over here. And then it has a call to action, bringing you to a strategy call or micro private event. It's where they get to the call right here. And here's how the book funnel structure looks like when we use for our clients. 1, it's either going to be a lead magnet, could be 7 or 27. Low ticket offer for free, again, like I have my book. Then I'll show you the sequence, automated nurture, smart emails, human sounding SMS, and voice AI, like we use with voice AI over here for voice.
Would you be interested in a 30-minute appointment or perhaps a shorter 15-minute chat?
Yeah, sure. I'm okay with a 30-minute meeting.
And then call to action, repeat into a strategy call, group event, micro event, Zoom session, Google Meet. That's when they all come in and they're already pre-sold, pre-framed, and ready to buy because you build all that trust. And here's the line you can still write now for your emails, call to action. If you join chapter 2, I'm hosting a behind the scenes workshop showing you how to apply it. Click here and save your seat right now, which is going to lead to this event over here. So that one line equals warm book calls. There you're going to be happy and you're going to be like, yes. Only warm and hot prospects coming into me in the call or the Zoom training because I'm about to sell them and they're gonna buy. Alright, we're going to step 3, installing the AI relationship funnel. Here we go to the AI funnel flywheel because here's the thing guys, manual follow-up is dead. You're not losing because your offer sucks, you're losing because you're too slow to follow up, too random to nurture, and too forgettable to close. That's why we use our AI bots, voice AI agents, to stay omnipresent with all our leads and prospects. So the whole flow is the voice AI immediately calls them, come right here, SMS the emails with personalized follows up, and then indoctrination content with trainings and webinars and any videos that you have in place. See a good example, like for the voice AI, it's gonna call instantly when they download your book or your lead magnet. Come right here, you answer the phone, picked up. It's here, this is where it's gonna qualify them, ask you a bunch of qualifying questions, and then it's gonna book the call on your calendar, Happy man, happy you. All you have to do is just show up on the call, and then collect your money. Bam, bam, happy. Money in the bank, guys. But before all that happens, you're just still gonna have SMS and email bots go in place using personalized touch points that feel human, build trust, and stack interest. So there's a workflow in place, and there's the omnipresent going on over here because it's gonna lead to some indoctrination content. We're gonna give them some trainings, tutorials, send them to a mini event, breakdowns, all of them to consume your content, because the more hours they consume your content, they say around 7 hours, the more no like and trust build, and the more likely it's going to lead to a sale. And then we move to step 4, stacking it all together. This is where you have the authority flywheel. We have your authority book, which builds magnetic attraction, the book funnel that converts curiosity, and the AI relation funnel that nurtures and closes. So this is going to be going on right over here. So this builds real leverage, guys. You're no longer convincing anybody, you're simply confirming that what they already believe. You're the only one they need. Again, that's when we start with have the authority book, gets attention, builds instant credibility, like right here, my authority book right here, effortless growth. Then we have the book funnel, captures interest and starts a conversation. So it's gonna be an automated sync with the workflow. And then the AI relationship handles all the follow-up, pre-sells them, pre-frames them, going then to build the know, like, and trust, ready to buy to ready to convert them into high-ticket buyers. So to remind you, by the time they speak to you, they already know who you are, they already decided they want help, and now you're just there to confirm, not convince them. And they'll be like right here, shut up and take my money. Alright, if you want me to build an authority asset and install the AI power funnel behind it that does all the follow-up for you, go ahead and book a free one-on-one call with me on the link below. And we'll map out an authority system in this quick call, a book or asset that actually positions you, a book funnel that turns readers into buyers, and AI agents do all the nurturing, follow-up, and all the trust building for you 24/7. So you never chase for leads again. You don't need to post more content. You need a better system. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Jeremy out.